Experiencing random freezes on your iPhone can be frustrating. If locking and unlocking your phone seems to fix the issue temporarily, it might indicate a software glitch or a minor system problem. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the freezing issue. Solution 1. Update iOS. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that may address freezing problems. Solution 2. Clear out the background app. Swipe up from the bottom. Once you see the app switcher, now remove one by one. After that, restart your phone. Solution 3. Use lockdown mode for 3 minutes and go back to default. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, scroll down, tap Lockdown Mode. Now turn on Lockdown Mode. Use this feature for 5 minutes. After that, turn it off. Now check your issue. Solution 4. Free up some space. From this storage section, find out unwanted apps or games, delete them, make sure your iPhone has more than 5 GB of free space. Once you have free storage, check your issue again. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. After following all the processes, your problem should be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.